Thank you all the dignitaries. It is my privilege to invite Dr. Saeed Abid Rashid Shah, Secretary Health and Medical Education Department. Sir, we are honored to have you with us. May I request you to kindly address the audience.
The Most Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Param Adarniya Shri Manoj Sinha ji, the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and importantly, our guests from outside, from the rest of the country, far and wide, who have come here आज जो आप सब यहाँ इस important conference में participate करने आए हैं, आप सबको हम सब की तरफ से most welcome. Thank you so much for coming to Government Medical College Jammu. GMC Jammu has a long history, and the Department of Pathology and the Department of Microbiology itself has worked very, very hard over the last many decades. और उसका नतीजा ये है कि आज आप सब पूरी कंट्री के बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट से आके यहाँ क्रॉस लर्निंग और टीचिंग का बेहतरीन सबूत देते हुए हमारे यंगस्टर्स को, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट्स को, अंडर ग्रेजुएट्स को, सबको अपनी नॉलेज इम्बाइब कराने आए हैं. वी थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच. I will fail my duty without mentioning what has happened under the leadership of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor in the last few years. Just a few data points so that you know where you are sitting and you know what has changed in the last few years, because you have come from the entire country. The north, the east, the south and the west of the country should know what has happened in Jammu and Kashmir in the last few years. Jammu and Kashmir had 500 MBBS seats. Today, because of the last 5 years, Jammu and Kashmir has 1725 MBBS seats. Jammu and Kashmir had no Ayurvedic homeopathy colleges. In the last few years, we have started Ayurvedic and homeopathy colleges under the leadership of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor. For the first time ever, we have started post-graduation in Ayurvedic College, which is MAMS, done in very few institutes of the country. Now Jammu and Kashmir has that. The DNB seats in J&K were 20. Today, under the leadership of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor, we have 436, which is a 80-fold increase. The number of BSc nursing students were 685. Today it is 3,050. Paramedic BSc, 0. Today it is 1,900. MSc nursing, 0. Today it is 250. The postgraduate seats in MBBS in the last few years has increased from 500 to 802. This year we have started post-graduation in the peripheral medical colleges. The Jan Aushadhi Kendras were 47 when Honorable LG came. Today they are 307. We had 102, 108 ambulances. Today we have 489 102, 108 critical care ambulances across Jammu and Kashmir, saving thousands of human lives. All this is possible because of the support, the guidance, the active indulgence of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor. Sir, मैं सब डॉक्टर्स और यहाँ के स्टाफ और अपने पूरे डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि आपने हमें वो सपोर्ट दिया है, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट दिया है, गाइडेंस दी है, and you have been a rock solid support to the entire department and the administration in Jammu and Kashmir. We thank you from the core of our hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, the purpose of this conference is cross-learning. The purpose of this conference is to learn from the best brains in our country. Our country has some of the best doctors. आप सबका फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि ये जो गेस्ट हमारे बाहर से आए हैं, उन सब का एक तो इस्तकबाल करें, दूसरा उनको अच्छे से ट्रीट करें. Please treat them with all the gracious warmth and hospitality of Jammu and Kashmir, but most importantly, learn from them the professional skills so that you pass them on to our future generation. I congratulate the Government Medical College Jammu and the entire team, and congratulate the Department of Pathology. I congratulate the IAPM for choosing Jammu and Kashmir and showing the rest of the country that Jammu and Kashmir truly is one of the leaders in healthcare and medical education. Thank you so much, all of you.